Today we are going to just go with the image interchange program, okay, with the use of set interval and JavaScript coding both, right?
Yes,
First
sir.
of all, we have to insert the particular this coding. You know very well this is document.html, then HTML tag, and we just add the title just like this, and we just insert the heading in this section, image interchange program like this, right? And after that, place your
Yes, sir.
and just write some images coding here, IMG, and that is ID will be just type IMG1, right? And SRC, this is equal to double encode 11.gif. And you can also decide the height
Yes,
and
sir.
width of the image. Just click on height equal to 400 and width equal to 400 as it is same, right? And after that, just use here the three function. Firstly, just click on click action. You just write here first, or you just write here action one. This will be my first function. When we click on this particular function, calling this particular function by using the mouse click, you will get
Yes,
the
sir.
particular function on the image, right? And when we place our cursor over the image, so here we use on mouse over and press equal to, and here we have the another action, that is action 2, and blank bracket and like this, and last one, that is on mouse out, right? And this is the third
Yes, sir.
action 3. Okay, so we have to write the three codes for three different functions, that is for action 1, action 2, or action 3. First of all, we have to just use the center tag to align the image at the center. So we have to put the center tag before the image tag and after the image tag, that is center, and save this. And let's check the output here. Just move on the screen of output and click on F5. You will get the screen like this, right? So here we have
Yes, sir.
it's coming like that. And just go with the action coding. Just move on the screen again on the coding screen and write the coding within the head tag. So we have to come before the head tag here and write the script coding. Just type here script, and again we need to close this tag, that is the script, and after that just go with the function. Just type here function, just write the function action 1. This is my first function, right? In this function
Yes.
we want to change the source of the image, so we have to write here document dot get element by ID. Just keep in mind E, B, and I should be in capital, right? And press
Yes, sir.
and type IMG1 is the ID of the image. Just press SRC. SRC means source, right? And just give the address of source of the next image, that is 12.gif. 12.gif. You just save the multiple image with the different name and we call the same name here, right? Just like 1, 2, you can also call whatever you just name that, just call it, right? With the extension name. And let's check this function, it is working or not. So just click on save by using Control plus S and move on again, coding its resulting screen, and click on share and press F5. Just see there. When we click on
Yes, sir.
move on this and click here, the image is not changing here, right? So press here refresh F5 and click on this. Let's check the coding again. Let's move on this and check the coding. Document dot get element by ID image SRC. Here we have add another bracket, that is the wrong thing. We have to use here semicolon, right, for the statement separator. And after saving this, just move on the screen here.
Yes, sir.
Let's check here. Just press F5 and when you click on this, just see that. image will change, right? So when we click on this image, you will get the another image when you will click on this section, right? Understood? So
Yes, sir.
this is the first section. It is working properly. So just move on the another action. We have to write another action. So move on the coding screen and we have to write the second action. So just move on another action. Just type again function and type your action 2 and close the blank bracket and just use here the same coding document dot get element by id
Yes, sir.
image img one like it close and dot src equal to just write the 13 dot gif. So here the next image address just type here and just save this. After saving, just move on the resulting screen and let's check the output. Just see there, when we press F5, when we move on this, just see there, the content will change. When we move our cursor over the image, it change the image. It will change the image. Okay, when we click here, it will again change the image,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So here we can get the two images by using the two action. First action for the on click, second action for the on mouse over. Okay, let's go with the third
Yes,
action.
sir.
So just move on the next section, just move on again on coding screen and just write the third action here again and use your function action 3 and press here and just type your document dot get element by id and again just type img1 close the bracket dot src equal to 14 dot gif, right, and save it and close the function button. After
Yes, sir.
just save this and again move on our screen. So just move on the coding screen again.
Okay, sir.
Just press F5. This is the my first image screen, initial screen. And you place our cursor over the image, you will get another image. Just move out from this image, you will get another
Yes,
image.
sir.
Right? This is my next image. That's why it's coming like that. And when we click on this, you will get the fourth image. Right? So here we have the four images
Yes,
here.
sir.
Right? So here we use multiple function for the multiple action or event. First action is work when we click on mouse click. Second, when we move our cursor over the image. And third, when we move out our cursor from the image, it will work the third action. Okay. If you want to write the particular image change action by using the set interval, you need to add here another action. Just type here script again and again just write here the script, and within this we use your set interval and write another function that is action 4 blank
Yes,
bracket,
sir.
and it will call after 1000 millisecond and use the semicolon. And we have to write here another function or action 4 coding. So just move our cursor over there and try to write this. Just type your variable as or just type d is equal to d dot or just type here new date, new date, right? And use your next one, that is the variable ss equal to
Yes,
d dot get d dot get seconds. Is it visible here or not?
yes, sir. It's visible.
So here we use two variables, right? And after that, we call all these functions. So we have to write here function action 4 and use the blank bracket and close your start your cursor and again close this particular cursor here.
Yes, sir.
Write some coding here. Use your if condition, start the bracket. If s is modulated by 2 means if we divide the s seconds, you will get the 0. Okay, then it will do the following action. Just see there.
Yes, sir.
Using this and press enter again, use the cursor and write here document dot get element by ID, and use here again img one dot src equal to 15 dot gif, right? And use semicolon. And next one, if it will not work, then means if this condition is not will not be satisfied, then it will work with the else function, else condition.
Yes, sir.
What get element by id, and let's type here img 2, sorry, img 1, because we have added only a single image, that's why we have to call only a single id of the image. Just type here
Yes, sir.
dot gif and use semicolon and close this else bracket, and we have to close here which function bracket, right? So this is the use of this. Just move on this, just save this, and let's take the result. Just move on the screen now, resulting screen, and press F5. Just see there. There is two images is missing here. That's why it is not showing here. So we have to change the coding here. We have to write here, just type here one dot, and here just write two dot. Okay. So we will get the another image and move on the screen, and let's check. Let's see there. Okay, this is first image is showing and second one missing. So we have to add another one, same one. Let's click on the
Yes, sir.
uh, move on the coding screen. And again, we need to change the address of this. So just type here uh, 3, and just type here 1, and just save this. And let's check the coding. Press F5. I think 2 is missing or 3 is missing on the desktop, that side showing here. So we write the same image here, just like this. We use here 14, and let's check it is working or not. Just
Yes,
save
sir.
this and move on the screen and press F5. Just see there. Right. We will get the two birds like this. If the second is divided by 2 and remainder will be 0, then it will show the pigeon. And if it will not be equal to 0, then it will show the another bird, right? So that is the use of which option? Different action by using the set interval, or by using the on click, or by using on mouse over, and last one on mouse out, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear here?
Yes, sir. It's
Doubt?
clear.